Are they coming to the bridge or no?
They're walking south, suicide.
Chasing me.
Can we
I
ping
think
top line or
chasing
no?
me.
Okay. Come south, come south.
You have Eska coming from this bridge.
Yeah,
southeast.
they're coming, they're coming.
Come, pop food.
From the south.
It's Del Negro. Del
Okay.
Negro is southeast bridge.
OC now.
Drop this one to southeast.
They're on double load.
Pull them in,
They're
pull them.
crossing the bridge now.
Look. Shove them on this bridge now. Shove them on this bridge. Tanks walk right in.
Full
CC
step,
them.
full
CC them right now. CC them right now. Look, southeast wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast wall right now. Delete them now. And look, tanks hold them. Keep rolling.
to the
Brawl the
southeast.
guys inside of you. Heals inside. Defense. Keep rolling with them. Brawl with the guys inside of you. Look,
company now.
keep rolling. Come back to the bridge too. Come. Brawl the guys inside of you. Good job. Keep rolling.
Del Negro is south of
Come, be
Outpost.
with me, boys. Look. Southwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on the wall here. Delete them now. Get off the wall now. D-tanks look east. Keep rolling with them. Brawl with the guys inside. Del's dead. Keep rolling them. Keep rolling. Brawl them out of you now. Brawl them out of you. They're running. Brawl them. Look east on the choke. Full send it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the tanks at the end of the choke. Delete them now. And look, walk through here. Tanks first. Walk through. Full run these dogs down.
They're full running to Terry. They're full running to Terry.
Kill them all. Talk shit to these fucking retards, man. Talk shit to these fucking retards.
There's a lot west.
Keep walking on them. Kill all the guys inside now. Keep walking on them. Look, use boots and knees, boys. Boots and knees. Kill them all. Chase them down. Kill them all.